Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be installing Windows 11 on Microsoft Hyper-V. Let's get started. We're going to right click on our computer name, highlight New and select Virtual Machine. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to name our machine. I'm going to call mine Windows 11. I'm also going to change where the Hyper-V is going to install. So here I've already got a folder called Windows 11 VM. Going to click Next. Going to select Generation 2. This is very important with Windows 11 as the new security features won't support Generation 1. Click Next. By default, Hyper-V only gives you 1 GB of RAM, which is the equivalent to 1024 megabytes. I'm going to give mine 8 GB of RAM, so 8 times 1024, which is 8192. Ensure dynamic memory is ticked and click Next. I'm going to select default switch to give a network connection. I'm going to leave the hard disk with the default settings. It by default gives you 127 gigabytes of space on the virtual machine. If you want to up it or lower it, just change it here. Click Next. Here we're going to load our Windows 11 ISO that installs Windows 11. So I'm just going to select my Windows 11 ISO. Going to click Next and then Finish. And then wait for your machine. Okay, so you can see our virtual machine has been created. There's a couple of more settings we need to do. So if we right click on the virtual machine and select Settings, we're going to select the Security tab. We're going to untick Enable Secure Boot and tick Enable Trusted Platform module. We're also going to go to the Processes tab. By default, just like the RAM, it only gives you 1. I'm going to up this to 4. I'm then going to press Apply and OK. We're then going to right click on the virtual machine again and click Connect. I'm going to press Start to start the virtual machine. Sometimes I find it's a little bit too quick, so you can't press the key quick enough. So if you press the Control-Alt-Delete button here to reboot the machine, and then straight away press the key, that will then get you back into the Windows 11 installation. I'm based in the UK, so I'm going to select my currency as United Kingdom and also make sure my keyboard is set to UK. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to click Install. I don't have a product key at this time, so I'm going to select the button I don't have a product key. I want to install Windows 11 Pro, so I'm going to select that and click Next. I'm going to accept Microsoft's licensing terms. I'm going to press Custom. This is very important if you have more than one hard disk installed on your machine. I've only got one on this machine, so it's okay, but if you have more than one, make sure you're installing on the correct hard disk. Click Next. It begins installing Windows 11. I'm going to fast forward this video to the end of the installation. Okay, so like I said earlier, I'm in the UK, so I'm going to leave this as the UK and select yes. Gonna find United Kingdom for the keyboard, click yes. No, I don't want to add a second layout, and it's just going to do some more checks. Here we're going to name the PC. I'm going to call it Windows 11. I don't have a Microsoft account, so I'm going to set up for personal use. I'm going to click Sign In Options and Offline Account. And then skip for now. The username of the PC is going to be Windows 11. I'm going to select Next. I'm not going to add a password. Select Next. I'm going to select No for all of these options and required only. Going to click Sign In, and here you can see we have a fully working version of Windows 11.